What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I got a special treat for you. I'm gonna show you how to mix up this delicious Chunky Monkey protein shake. I'll be right back. So for this Chunky Monkey shake, I use the GNC Pro Performance 100% whey protein powder. This is the banana cream flavor, and I've done a review on this, so you should see it pop up here. I use about 5 ice cubes, some natural Jif peanut butter. I'm using some mini chocolate chips here, and about 1/3 cup of oats, and a small, or actually a medium banana. So with my ice already in a cup, I put in the oats. I then add the protein powder. Next, I add probably what amounts to about 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I put in my banana sliced. As you can tell, I haven't added any liquid yet. Next, I add in the chocolate chips. Then I'm adding about 2/3 cup of water. As you can see now, that makes a full cup. So I like to take a butter knife and run it down the side. That way the water can flow down the side and interact with the ice and the oatmeal. And as that interacts at the bottom, I can then add a little more water. And you always want to make sure you're going to have enough water because you don't want the blender to get stuck. And I give it a little shake, and now it's time for some mixing. And there you have it, Chunky Monkey Shake. This is delicious. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that Chunky Monkey protein shake, this recipe here, and go mix it up for yourself. Enjoy it. Please go out and follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. And also, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you guys next time. This is B-Rob.